up, y'all? Man, I had such a good clean out. I had such a good clean out, but I had some mercury in my pan and it sucked all the gold up. It was really weird to watch. First time that I had mercury in my pan and it ate all my gold. This was a natural line right here. When you stand back, when you stand way back there in the creek and look at this, you can see it. It goes up level after level after level. Well, this is the very first fast water past that huge inside bend. Huge inside bend right there. And Bobby got a nugget right here last time. Y'all clean out real quick. There was some real nice chunky in there, you guys. It was such a good clean out and then it just started disappearing. That mercury ate it up.